Today we're going to be doing LeetCode Problem 225, which is to implement a stack using a queue. So this problem states, implement a last in, first out LIFO stack using only queues. So the implemented stack should support all the functions of a normal stack. Push, top, pop, and empty. Okay, so the example they give here is, first of all, they're going to instantiate the stack and then push 1 and 2, which is what you see here, why the output is null and null, because it doesn't return anything. Then a stack top will return 2. A stack pop will also return 2, because the top is just peaking, basically. And then stack empty will return false, because the stack will still have 1. So the way we're going to implement this is, basically, we're going to get rid of the constructor here. And just do a private queue of integer. I'm going to call it queue. And we're going to make that a new linked list. All right. So all the heavy lifting is going to be in the push method. So queue add X. But now, because we want this to be a stack, we're going to have to reverse this. So for int I equals 1, I is less than the queue size I plus plus. So basically, we're just going to do another queue EUE add of a queue EUE remove. So the rest of this should be fairly straightforward. We're going to do, for the pop, we're going to do a queue, return queue remove. And this is going to return a queue peak. We're not going to actually take anything off of the queue. And then this is just going to return if the queue is empty. And that's pretty much it. So let's run it. It is accepted. We'll submit it. Beats 100% of Java users. Amazing. So the time complexity is O of 1, as well as the space complexity, just a straight line. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.